How long will Mnangagwa last after losing military and party power? Azvipere Moshe, panguva ine patukona in all the dimensions. People that are attacking the ruling party ZANU-PF network leadership yayo pamusoro pezvese zviri kuitika mismanagement kumaroads health care facilities ari kunyaswa kuti they are declining. Everything seems like it is in a dilapidated state and it is diminishing. Sanamira mashoko anobuda pana pachanalyze vanokombera kuzimbabwe achiti aiwa panguva ino yatikona each and every person is seeing the economy is declining. How long will the leader remain in power? Vakomana satellite action. Sanamira mashoko abuda pana pa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tina zimbabwe abuda achiti the uploaded image presents a striking public perception of Mnangagwa's diminishing hold on power. The poll results indicated that 61% of respondents believe Mnangagwa will last only 3 days, once power fully shifted to Chiwenga. Another 18% expect him to last 3 weeks, while 14% predict he might hold out for 3 months. Only 7% foresees a scenario in which he remains in control for up to 3 years. These figures reflect widespread skepticism about Mnangagwa's ability to withstand a direct challenge from Chiwenga. Historically, Zimbabwe's power struggles have been decided by military allegiance rather than political maneuvering. If Mnangagwa is indeed lost military backing, his downfall could be swift and irreversible. Domashka mdaji kwa pana pana wakomne mzimu aya atuna varu analyze zviri kuitika panguva ino inokona kuva kunzi aiwa maalliance ageneral panguva ino they are now being fired. Tichiona kuti aiwa kumabarracks muri kuona kuti pane power transition handover takeovers ari kuitika panguva ino they are trying their best to consolidate the power just because they know kuti aiwa vanhu vakadai so vari kuva vachiita pose to see kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika pamwe the ruling party vacharamba varipo pawasvika rii ndo vari kukonzeresa because they are exposing zvinyatso kuda pachena kuti vanhu havachadi the leadership and the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tunze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi ina comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.